Kung ako naka-side ni Sen. Win, I will not act as acting president because he knows it's illegal. You know, masisira yung buong career niya in the future. They have all the power, they have all the money, they have all the influence, di ba? I'm not at par. Sabihin nila parang Cayetano versus Will or Cayetano versus Marcos, hindi. Parang elementary varsity versus NBA ito eh. Nasa kanila lahat ng kapangyarihan. Ang nasa amin lang katotohanan.
So, SP, pupunta po kayo, yung block niyo po?
I'm not sure. It depends. Anong balak nila? We reserve the right to use every parliamentary tool that is available to fight for what we have. No, many times in history, all we had was you, the media. All we had was katotohanan, the media. Of course, God's will. Di ba? Many times lumaban kami, impeachment, kung sino-sinong kalaban. Di ba? Oh. So, eto, hindi ko itatali yung natira sa amin, yung dalawa, at hindi ko itatali kung anong gagawin namin na hindi ko maalam kung ano pang balak nila. So, kung halimbawa, papatawag sila Monday para hindi kami makapag-blue ribbon ng Tuesday, ba't kami pupunta? O pero halimbawa, nakipag-usap sila. O ito blue ribbon, o ito chairman, ayaw nyo kay Marcoleta, ayaw namin kay Erwin, ito schedule, ito mga patatawag natin. Ba't naman kami hindi makikipag-usap ng maayos?
What about bukas po? Tuloy po ba yung investigation sa shooting incident?
Actually, hindi pa namin napag-usapan. Tinuloy ba ni Senator Marcoleta? Tinuloy ba niya? Yeah. I'm sorry, we are all focused here. We didn't even know kung makakapasok kami ng Senate, but it's a good question. I have to ask Senator Marcoleta.
Sir, next week onwards, is it safe to say parang you're going to act on your own while the Gatchalian bloc will be acting on theirs?
I will assert my authority, legitimacy as Senate President. I will write the letters. I will perform my duty. Then let's see kung anong gawin ng Malacanang at saka ng... So for example, sa hearings, malamang hindi pumunta yung mga kabinete pag kami nagpatawag. But that's a reflection on them, not on us.
Pero pag sabay po kayo, kunwari may notices from your office and then some pro-temp Gatchalian as a sumunod,
Yes.
sabay.
It's up to the people to decide. Alam ko yung mga nasa elevator, mas mahal ako kaso kay Win, si Rose. So, pag sabay kami sa elevator, ako ang papabura ni Rose. Pero kung gusto ni Win mauna, okay lang.
Pero now po, yun nga, sir, sa precedence, parang technically, sino ang masusunod?
It's just like a corporate takeover sa kumpanya niyo. Diba? So, most of you here are in corporations. Pagka may nag-take over, may labanan, sino, you have to decide sa conscience kung sino. But ang epektado lang kasi sa isang korporasyon, yung shareholders, yung empleyado. Ito kasi buong Pilipinas epektado. Diba? Kung ako naka-side ni Sen. Win, I will not act as acting president because he knows it's illegal. You know, masisira yung buong career niya in the future. Diba? I waited. I've been a senator since 2007. I thought never na ako magiging Senate President. But I waited until binigay sa akin. And I think Senator Win is a intelligent, studious, creative. Ang dami kong magandang objective na sasabihin. So ang akin lang advice kay Sen. Win, wait for your time. Don't grab, receive. Okay na nga, pinili ka na ng grupo mo. Pero pag illegal ang pinagagawa sa'yo, huwag mong gawin. Papahamak ka lang.
Senator, one last question. How confident are you that the employees of the Senate will keep your orders given that absence of some relevant committee staff?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. Kasi nga, have I appointed anyone? I don't think I have appointed anyone in the last 3 weeks, diba? And everyone, the thing about the Senate employees, they're very political in the sense that they're up to date with everything. Buhay nila kasi yung government, yung di ba? And many of them started from the lowest going up. So I can't just tell them, sumunod kayo, kung hindi, kakasunod kayo. They have to make the decision by themselves. But the problem is, I don't know how they'll make a decision as a group. So, I don't even know paano nila dinesisyonan ayusin to, magluto ng pagkain. Di ba, kanina yung ibang usaa, ayaw papasukin yung mga Marines. Pagbaba ni Senator Pia, sumunod naman. So, it's going to be a struggle, but it's going to be a struggle to do for the country.
But Senator, it shouldn't be viewed as a sign of you losing control over the Senate. For example, yung live stream, yung live stream itong press con nyo ngayon sa
Well,
Senate.
kung kalaban mo ay Malacanang at mga kasama nito at mga at mali-maletang maleta, siguro yung nararamdaman ko, mararamdaman mo rin. Di ba? So, it's, except that nung bata ako, yung mga dean ng law school, mga retired justices, etc., kahit yung kampo nila ay kampo nila, pag mali, sasabihin nilang mali. If this happened even during martial law, even in the 70s, 80s, this happened, 95% of the legal community will come out and say, it's just wrong. It's just wrong. But we live in a different world where your algorithm at yung, para tayong fraternity, na di bali ng mali yung mga brad mo, brad mo sila. So that's the problem of our next generation now. Di natin tinuturo, tama is tama, mali is mali. Diba? Ang tinuturo natin, kampo natin to, so siguro tama.